Are you ready? Okay, you're gonna hold the camera.
Oh, okay.
Let's do a little tour. You gotta hold the camera up so they can see it. Let me see that. Let me see me. Let's wave hi here. I never show myself. All right. Now, let's give everybody a tour. We'll do the yard tour right now. It's gonna be a 10-minute drive or something around here, right?
Yeah.
5-minute drive, maybe.
Don't blame me at the
That's all right. You just keep it as steady as you can. Steady as you can.
That big jump.
Okay, we're gonna go down the pipeline.
Isn't this where the shooting range is?
Well, there's a shooting range over here. We're in 4 High, and it's icy snow. The roads look just like this when we go to town right now.
Really?
Like there's no beat trail yet. It's all a layer of ice. But I went to town in 2-wheel drive just to play. Slide sideways everywhere. Felt like donuts in Berkshire's parking lot. Trap. Now let's go down here.
Somewhere around here, me and Patrick got stuck with the 4-wheeler.
Yeah.
I think it was in a ditch.
Well, we're not getting stuck.
Yeah.
Ice is everywhere.
We were
Our
trying to make
snowy trail through the woods. Bouncy or not, you get to see the woods and see our trail. We'll drive through our. This is the backyard. We're not going to be able to go all the way to the back. Do a farm tour. That's what we'll call it. All right, for all the other folks down there, the Tulies are some water. There is water down there.
Probably frozen water.
That frozen. Charlie Smith went duck hunting down there this morning. Today's the last day of duck hunting season. I don't know who he brought with him. But they were out there dedicated, banging up birds. Yeah, there's some water right there. Snowy frozen. Yeah. Let's make our way back uphill here. And snow is falling right now too. Isn't that great?
When I was getting the muffins, it was all over me.
Keeping it steady? You looking at it?
Yeah.
See what kind of picture it is? That's just a quick trip to the bottoms. And let's drive around the yard.
But around over here when we had that big jump,
Mobile homes down there to the right.
I was filming and the phone flipped onto my head. So I probably have a big bruise on my forehead now.
What? Keep it steady. We'll go around the whole thing again up front. So let these people get a good tour. Let these people get a good tour. All YouTube land. Alright. Birds are back there. Mama's house. Bunch of broke vehicles and trailers. Yeah. Let's see this here. We got junk upon junk. And some more junk. Junk upon junk. Junk. Some more junk. Sawmill. greenhouse, my house, the shop. Yeah, you've got a lineup of some junk. Yeah. Let's go back this way. Junk in there. Main driveway, yeah. Look at this, more frozen junk. Man, we got a lot of junk, Ruby dear. Yard art junk, folks. Bucket truck. That's the front street here. What do we got here? We got yard art, snow junk. Snow junk with the yard art. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna almost complete our tour. Let's go to the front pasture, down the side, and back up by Mom's, huh? And then we'll go to town. Like this. Yeah. I did donuts here, but then I was getting close to the bees. And I don't want to be the jackass to wipe the bees out playing in the snow. Yeah, you know? I don't want to be that guy.
I had the perfect snowflake on my nose when I was having
We're getting the 4x yard tour. Swarm trap because my neighbors had bees over there. I don't know if they moved them or what. They might have. Yeah, I'll catch my neighbor's bees. Those are the neighbors. Over something out. They're good. And we just come around and out on the other end of this pipeline now. We would go up that trail, but there's a tree there. That goes backyard chicken coops in Mom's backyard. There was a big hole here, huh, Ruby? Where'd we hit? Let's go this way and hit it, huh?
Wait,
Yeah.
hit it?
Yeah, come on. See?
Yeah,
What do you mean? Wait, hit it.
Well,
You guys got a bonsai it? Everything's softer in the snow.
last time we did it with my
Yeah, it was bumpy, huh?
my tongue fell out of my face and bruised my forehead.
Sorry. We did it better this time. There we go, we're back around to Mom's house. Let's go on out this driveway. We'll shut it down at the end of the driveway here. That truck just slides everywhere in the snow. You know that? This thing does so much better. Big truck just be sliding. Big truck just be sliding. Alright, at the street, we're taking it out. Four-wheel drive and roll to town in the two-wheel. This is practice for the gym run at 4:30 in the morning. How's this road going to be when I go to the gym? I'm going to make it there in the blizzard. Make it there in the blizzard. 10 minutes and 22 seconds. County Bridge out.